Number 5. VacMaster VBV1210. Easily convert from wet/dry vacuum to 210 miles per hour handheld blower. 19-foot cleaning reach with hose and power cord. Integrated accessory storage. High-performance blower provides multi-use capabilities. Extra large drain port. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Stanley SL18199P. 5.5 peak horsepower motor provides powerful suction for quickly cleaning. 12-gallon collection tank designed for durability and long cleaning times. The 22 feet working range can be moved to various locations. Dry suction function is suitable for dust, debris, sawdust, shavings, metal shavings. Safety buoy technology becomes a protector that automatically power off. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Craftsman XSP. Powerful 6.5 peak HP provides extra power for large projects. Rear blowing port on this wet-dry vac allows for quick cleaning of leaves. Built-in oversized drain on the wet/dry vac allows for convenient emptying of liquids. 2.5 inch diameter shop vacuum hose features dual flex technology. 3-year limited warranty. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Rigid 50353 1610 RV. Powerful 6.5 peak horsepower. Large 16-gallon capacity. Stainless steel drum construction. Sturdy cart, push handle and large rear wheels. Scroll noise reduction technology. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Workshop wet-dry vac WS1600 SS. Stainless steel drum offers durability as well as professional appearance. Maximum power and suction, picks up about 1 gallon of water per second. Storage bag on cart handle keeps all accessories close at hand. Accessory and hose storage keeps vacuum attachments within easy reach. Covered by 5-year limited warranty. Please check the description for details and best price.